We have already studied reflection property for parabola and ellipse. Now we'll study reflection property for hyperbola. In case of an ellipse, we have already proved that tangents and normals, they are internal and external angle bisectors of focal distances of any point P. Now the same is true for hyperbola also. So if we have two focus, say S1 and S2, and we have any point P, then tangents and normal at P, they'll bisect these focal distances internally and externally, which gives us our reflection property, and which is any ray passing through one focus of hyperbola must pass through other focus after reflection. Let us take up an example. Now here the question is, if a ray of light incident along the line 3x plus 5 minus 4 root 2y equals 15 gets reflected from the hyperbola x square upon 16 minus y square upon 9 equals 1, then its reflected ray goes along which of the following line? Now for this hyperbola, a square is 16 and b square is 9. We can write b square as a square into e square minus 1. So value of e here will be 5 by 4. Now once we have a and e, we can write focus of this hyperbola, and focus of this hyperbola will be at plus minus 5, 0. Now this line 3x plus 5 minus 4 root 2y plus 15, it passes through 5, 0. So our incident ray will pass through one of the focus, which is 5, 0, and reflection property says that the reflected ray will pass through the other focus, which is minus 5, 0. So we have this ray, and then we'll need to find equation of reflected ray. Now what we'll do is we'll find this point where this incident ray strikes the mirror. Now this point, it lies on hyperbola. Let the coordinate of this point be a secant theta, so it will be 4 secant theta, and b tan theta, so it will be 3 tan theta. Now this point, it will lie on this line. So we'll put x as 4 secant theta, we'll get 12 secant theta plus 5 minus 4 root 2, 3 tan theta, and this value, it is equal to 15. So we can write this as 12 secant theta plus 15 tan theta minus 12 root 2 tan theta, and it is equal to 15. Now we'll take theta as 45, it will be 12 root 2, and 12 root 2 will cancel, and tan 45 is 1. So one of the solution of this equation will be theta equals 45 degrees. And if theta is 45, then the coordinate of this point P will be 4 root 2, 3. Now we have 2 points. We can write equation of this reflected ray. So equation of this reflected ray will be 5 minus 0, and then 3 minus 0 upon 4 root 2 plus 5 and x plus 5. So this equation will be 3x plus 15, and it will be equal to 4 root 2 plus 5 into y, and which is your option number D.